Ever wondered what 100,000 Christmas lights looks like from the inside of the house? Well, here's what you see from the street, and here's what you see from the inside of the house. This is the view from my neighbor's house. I do try to turn the lights off prior to this week, around 9:30. I think that's their kid's bedroom. I did give them a Christmas card, said thank you for putting up with the flashing lights this year. I thought that was actually pretty nice of me. If we go this way, it's not as bad on the opposite side of the house. Depends on what show it is. I think that's The Greatest Showman, which is the flashiest show. We go this way though. This is the theater room on the opposite end of the house. And you can see not as bad on this side. So what you hear people actually responding to in that video there, the cheers and the happy yells, is this Santa in the window projection. This is one of the cheapest things in my display actually. If you want to see how I made that, then click this video here that I made. But this is what it looks like from the street, and here's what I see from the inside of my very cluttered office. A cheap $3 plastic drop cloth simply hung from the wall, and a giant 7-foot Santa just casually floating around the room all night. And for every group of lights you see, there's one of these boxes with 16 extension cords, literally hundreds of feet of extension cords to power this display. I hope you've enjoyed this behind the scenes tour. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.